What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the camera distortion issue on your Xiaomi POCO phone. So to fix this issue, first of all try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold on the power button. Now swipe down this white circle, and when the circle gets green, then you can lift up your finger from the screen to restart your phone. Now after restarting your phone, the camera distortion issue will be fixed. But if you are still facing the issue, then if you have installed any camera lens protector, then remove that protector, and after removing the protector, clean the camera lens with a clean cloth, and then the camera distortion issue will be fixed. But if you are still facing the issue, then open camera, tap on this drop down arrow, and then tap on this settings icon from this menu. Now scroll down to the end and tap on restore default settings. Now tap on OK to confirm, and after resetting the camera settings back to default, the distortion issue in your phone's camera will be fixed. So that's how you can fix the camera distortion issue on your Xiaomi POCO phone. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.